guys, we are going to play with a brand new kit curated by Teresa, who is Creatively Faithful here on YouTube. She created this beautiful faith-based kit. I'm going to create a card today. We released 2 kits for our quarterly release. They are just beautiful. I'll have all links in the description box if you're interested. I'm going to take the stencil designed by Stacy Tiedemann at the cross, and we're going to do a little ink blending in the background. I'm going to use one of the stamps, and we're going to use the paper and the beautiful ephemera. So I grabbed a few pieces I thought I would like to use. I think I'm going to use this one here. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. And I thought this little image here kind of represents like the next morning with your coffee. So I wanted to add a little bird and a flower, and then do the crosses in the background. So there's tons of gorgeous scripture and Bible verses, beautiful images, butterflies, flowers. And this is one of the artists that we love to use. Her name is April. So I'll have this all laid out for you. There's so much ephemera you get, so this is going to last you. I'm going to use a scallop and a stitched circle. Let's pick out our papers. So in this paper pad, you do get some extra sheets that you can use to cut out some images. So on the back of your front cover, there's some images for you to cut out and use on projects. And then on the back there's a sheet with these images, and I used one on this bookmarker that I made. So I thought that turned out really pretty. I did add a little glossy to the center of that flower there and layered up some papers. So Teresa included that bonus for us. I'm going to use one of these. There's many colors in this pattern, in this paper pad. So I love it because it almost can work as a solid. So I'm going to use that for my scallop. So let me see which patterns I want to use. I might want to use this one because I'm using this little flower. And this flower is on this pattern here. So I might use that. Let's see what else we can. That would look pretty too. I think I like this one better. Let's see if I want to add any other patterns. There's some really pretty butterflies in here. Oh, there's that flower too. That's really pretty. Do I want to go the route that brings out the teal? Or do I want to go the route that brings out the pink? I think I'm going to go the pink way. And then I'm going to grab this just in case I want to add another pattern. But we're going to cut out our scallop. I'm going to cut out the scallop in this color. We're going to use this stencil designed by Stacy Tiedemann, and I am going to take the cross stencil and just do a light dusting. I just want my background to be faded because I'm going to stamp over the top with the sentiment. And I'm going to use Distress ink. I'm using a big, large brush so it stays really soft. Let's add some magnets. And that's all I want. Okay, so I think I have my layout. I think I'm not gonna add this. I don't think there's room for another pattern. So I chose to use the same pattern as the scallop for the background. I'm gonna pop this one up. I'm just gonna add a little bit of green here, kind of match the green over here. We have a brand new enamel dots in the shop, Bunny Blush. So I'm going to use either the white ones. I think I'm going to use the white ones. Okay, so that completes the card. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think this bundle's for you if you love creating meaningful encouragement style cards. You can send a lot of comfort or uplifting mail with this bundle. You like incorporating faith and blessings into your projects. You make Easter cards that focus more on renewal and hope, or if you enjoy Bible journaling. So let me know if you are team blessings down in the comments down below. I can't wait to see what you create with this bundle. You could hashtag me at NotTooShabbyShop. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.